how to activate Windows 11 with a product key. So to go and activate Windows 11, we first need to open up the Start menu, go and search for Settings, and then just click on the Settings window. In the left-hand side, select System, scroll down to Activation and click on this. And the first thing you'll see is your activation state. So you can see that my version of Windows is already activated. Now to go and activate your Windows, click on either of these drop-down arrows and you'll have the option to go and enter a product key. So I'm just going to click on this change button here. And now you can go and enter the product key for your Windows 11 package. Now this will typically be included in the place that you purchased Windows originally. If you don't already have a product key, then what you can do is just open up an internet browser, type in Windows 11 Home and press enter, and then you can scroll down to the official Microsoft website, which is Buy Windows 11 Home. Scroll down again and you'll see we have the Windows 11 Home Edition, and you can basically go through the steps here to purchase this as a digital product. And once you've purchased this, the product key will be sent to you via email, and you can basically use this product key to go and verify your version of Windows. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next